All right, so it's 8:30 in the morning, and we're making the long haul down to Woodland, Washington from Renton to go pick up an engine because I just recently bought a 2002 F350 with a rebuilt engine, and the engine's rebuilt, but it has a 4-inch crack along the side of the block. Found a dude that parts out 7.3s, and he's gonna give me a deal on one that needs new injector cups for $750. A lot of the engines around here used with like 200,000. People still want $1,500 for them. So, but yeah, got my dad's 2001 here. I'll pick this back up when we get the engine, and then I'll do a little clip on the truck it's going in. So made it back. It's about 2 p.m. Just pulled my Yoda out. There's the truck, and got the engine right here. So went ahead, pulled it out, and just got this guy pulled out. So time to get to work on this. It's already some fun. Right. Dude took all the turbo stuff, took the high pressure oil pump. He was like wanting the injectors too, and I was just like, dude, all right, I need to record a little bit before I get too crazy taking shit off. So this elbow, that was facing down and was connected here. That's the top. This is the water pump. Had, what was it? 3 long, 1 medium, 4 short, and then these 2 I wrapped up because they're for the elbow. Looks like we got a O-ring here, and then some RTV, I believe. Doesn't look like there's a seam for any seal. So water pump, elbow, and then I believe that's the H-pop gear drive housing. The dude took the H-pop right before I took the engine, so something going on there that I don't know yet. This guy was dripping some oil and diesel, so I'm not quite sure what that is, but disconnected it from the 2 fittings here. These ones were already disconnected. This goes on like that. So I took, all right, so we're gonna clean this up. We're gonna take the valve covers off. I'm gonna take the oil pan off, check that out, seal that back up, make sure nothing fell in the engine between that dude pulling it and transportation and whatnot. It's a dowel pin on that side that looks like snapped off, so I gotta figure out if that thread's in or if it's just pressed. Other than that, I got a bore cleaning kit, clean up all the passageways and whatnot, a compression test kit, and then I already own a leak down test kit, so we will see where this takes us. We got the engine stand set up. It's a 2-ton Harbor Freight Special. Got this cool little tripod, little clicker to help me record this shit. Part washer, engine. And I'll probably put the part washer up here and start figuring out the tools scenario. All right, little update. Engine is off the picker on the stand, so we got it all bolted up. It's real nice. This one has like a bearing in there, grease, so it spins a lot easier, and then Zert fittings to re-grease. Next up is valve covers. So I spent most of the day, I got my thread checkers in, went, got bolts. I didn't want to just trust online. I wanted to verify, measured everything out, went and got my own bolts and washers to adjust them. And then, yeah, next up is taking the valve covers off and then doing a compression test, seeing what yields. But so I don't think I'm going to get to the valve covers tonight, but I got the garage cleaned up a little bit. I got my part suite laid out where I'm going to put stuff. Got a seat, got a tripod set up for better recording, part washer, thread checkers, bore kit, got the laptop set up. So we're in business to get this rolling and